to Sandy's Lifestyle Cooking Videos. I'm Sandy, and if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for choosing to stop and view this video. To my wonderful viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. For those who don't know, this channel showcases foods that are healthy, attractively plated, and purpose planned. I also showcase on this channel elegant table setting and accessories. For my upcoming videos, I will share with you meal preparation tips, napkin folds, and yes, I will be cooking for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my videos. For today's meal presentation, I'm preparing brown stewed chickpeas with basmati rice. Now, I'm using a can of Goya chickpeas, and instead of the coconut, I'm using a pack of Grace coconut milk. I know sometimes you don't have enough, time to get everything done. So instead of breaking the coconut, pushing it through the magic bullet or grating it by using your box grater or whatever form of grater, you could just use a packet of coconut milk, and there are various types, but for this presentation, I'm using Grace. Now, let's get started with preparing the rice. I'm cooking 2 cups of rice, and for this 2 cups of rice, I'm using 4 cups of water. To this pot, I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, chopped green onions or spring onions, some people call it escallion, and some thyme. I prefer to put the salt and flavors in before the water boils so that you can actually taste the flavor of your pot before you start cooking. It's a little harder when the water starts boiling to decipher the taste that you're getting. So here I'll be using a tasting spoon, and I'm going to check the flavor. Good. Keep it in some water, and I'll allow this to boil. Once it starts boiling, I will put the rice to cook. Now let's get started on the chickpeas. So heat the pot, and to this pot, you're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil or oil of your choice, but I'm using olive oil. Now that the pot is heated, I'll add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. I reserve some for later. And I'll also just add some of the chopped Scotch bonnet pepper and allow it to saute. The aroma is so good already. Just the onions and the hot pepper. I wish you could smell this. Wow. I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Yes, and then to this, I'll be adding the chickpeas, which I've washed and drained. Oh, this is smelling. The aroma is oh, so good. I'm using 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. And this is going to be giving me the color that I need for my brown stewed chickpeas. I wish you could just smell this now. Okay, I'm going to get out some of that in a short while. So I'm allowing this to caramelize a little more to get out more of the onion flavors unleashed into this. Okay, while I wait for the water to be ready, we just take this coconut milk a little closer. I should be timing this because it's surely going to take me less than 45 minutes to prepare this meal. We have a lovely brown color here. And now I'm going to add a little of the milk to get the remaining soy sauce from this concoction. Okay. And while this is caramelizing, I am going to be putting the rice into this. And I get out as much as I can. So let's give that a little stir and allow it to boil before lowering the heat. Now I'll lower the heat for the chickpeas and I'm going to be adding some milk. The braised coconut milk powder, which I've reconstituted with some boiling water. Allow this to cook for 7 to 10 minutes. And then we will add the remaining ingredients. So we'll just cover and allow it to simmer. At this time, the rice is doing well. I'm going to be lowering the flame under this pot, the rice pot. Yes. And I need to also check on that. Yes. Doing well. Remember the chickpeas was already cooked, so it needs very little cooking at this point in time. It's just to ensure that it absorbs the flavor, which is the coconut milk and the onions and flavorings. So I'm going to allow it to simmer, yes, for just 5 more minutes before I put in an additional 1 tablespoon of onions. Okay, so the rice. Okay, great. That will soon be finished. And now I'm going to add some more onions. This coconut milk smells so good. So, so good. Let's put the onions, and I'm going to be adding some sweet peppers, red and green. These will add some more flavor to the pot. You won't get much of the color because of the browning, but we'll take care of that later on when it comes to garnishing. And we're going to cover and allow that to simmer. The rice is almost done, and just checking on this brown stewed chickpeas. The aroma is so good. Oh, I wish you could have some of this. You would enjoy. Okay, I'm going to add some thyme, which is finely chopped. That will provide some additional flavor for the pot. And this is looking so good. Here you are. If you could just smell this. I'm just going to turn off the flame from under this pot. Yes. And I'm going to be checking on the rice. And yes. Wow. This is so fluffy and nice. The basmati rice. And I'll be turning off the flame from under the basmati rice as well. Okay. So now I'm ready to plate this rice, and then adding some more rice to this. This water, you can just put the container in to make sure that the rice will not stick into the container. There you have it. The rice for now. It's time to put the chickpeas, the brown stewed chickpeas, along with the rice. So let's get that pot closer to the plate. Smell. Maybe this is in your week, so let me just take your time, because you don't want to have a lot of cleaning up to do. So take your time. Just a little patience. And there you have it. The serving middle. And here you have it. Your brown stewed chickpeas, basmati rice, and some vegetables. so much for watching this video to the end. Please remember to like, comment, share, and if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider making this channel your home by clicking the subscribe button below. Until next time, catch me in my